How to say no, a very much debated topic. Two techniques which I think work very beautifully. One which happened with this incident happened with me very recently. I went to this person and I told her that, every time you bring up this topic, it disturbs me, and I've told you earlier, don't discuss this particular topic with me. But you continuously, bring this up and it makes me feel angry. And now this person on the other side reacted, started shouting, screaming, went into the past, went into the future, also said some nasty words. However, I was calm, cool, composed. Maintaining my composure, I repeated the same line that I don't like it when you bring up this topic. So this technique is called the broken record technique. But this requires some self-work for you not to react but respond to the other person. Yeah? The second technique we call as cushions, right? So anytime somebody comes to you and asks you, hey, can you do this for me, or I need this help, listen to the other person, understand the viewpoint, put your complete attention, speak with authenticity, and tell the person what genuinely is the problem, why you cannot do it, what is it that stops you, or if you can do it later, suggest an alternative. So speak with a cushion. I would really like to do it, but I can't do it today. I will do it day after tomorrow because of this reason. It is amazing that people definitely understand. Now, in my belief, saying no and drawing boundaries, is not so much about others, but depends on our upbringing, our values, our beliefs, our perceptions, the way we are born and raised. And this is not something very easy for us to change, but with constant work and effort, nothing is impossible.